मिशन चढ़ती कला। और मैं भारत के हर नागरिक को, उद्योगपति को, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्टों को, कलाकारों को, पूरी दुनिया में बसते पंजाबियों को, बहन भाइयों को दिल से अपील करता हूँ, आओ पंजाब को दोबारा अपने पाँव पे खड़े करने का टाइम आ गया है। पुनर्वास में और रिस्ट्रक्चर में पंजाब का साथ दीजिए। मैं वचन देता हूँ, जो भी आप मेहनत की कमाई से 1 रुपया भी अगर निकालोगे तो 1.25 रुपया बना के हम पारदर्शिता और ईमानदारी से इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और जानकारी चाहिए तो rangla.punjab.gov.in ये वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, सब कुछ डिटेल मिल जाएगा। आओ मिलकर हाथ से हाथ जोड़ के एक ऐसा पुण्य उसमें योगदान डालें और बता दें दुनिया को कि पंजाब किसी भी संकट के सामने हारता नहीं।
Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. Diljit Dosanjh has reached a remarkable milestone in his career, securing dual nomination at the 2025 International Emmy Awards for his critically acclaimed performance in the Netflix biographical drama Amar Singh Chamkila. The film is competing in the category of Best TV Movie Miniseries, while Dosanjh himself is shortlisted for Best Performance by an Actor, making his first ever Emmy nod. The International Academy of Television Arts and Sciences announced the nomination on September 25, highlighting some of the most anticipated categories of the year. In the Best Performance by an Actor category, Diljit will go up against internationally renowned talents including David Mitchell for Ludwig, Oriol Pala for Yo, Addict, and Diego Bonsians for 100 Years of Solitude. The presence of such global heavyweights underscores the prestige of Dosanjh's nomination and the increasing recognition of Indian talent on the world stage. Upon learning of his nomination, Diljit took to Instagram to express his gratitude, crediting his director for the achievement. It's all because of Imtiaz Ali. He wrote, tagging Netflix India and resharing posts about the nominations. Fans and industry peers flooded his social media with congratulatory messages celebrating not only the actor but also the international spotlight being shown on Punjabi cinema and storytelling. Filmmaker Imtiaz Ali, who directed Amar Singh Chamkila and co-wrote with Sajid Ali, spoke to the media about the milestone, describing it as a significant moment for both the film and Punjab. Thanks for bringing the happy news that Chamkila has been nominated for 2 international Emmy Awards, for Diljit Dosanjh as Best Actor and for Chamkila as Best Film. I've already received lots of messages from people congratulating me, so it clearly means it's a really big deal. I would like to congratulate the entire team and also the people of Punjab who contributed to this film. It is very much a film of that land. I congratulate Diljit Dosanjh twice over, Ali said. Released in April 2024, Amar Singh Chamkila chronicles the extraordinary yet turbulent life of Punjab's legendary folk singer Amar Singh Chamkila, often referred to as Elvis of Punjab. Known for his electrifying stage presence and fearless, socially resonant lyrics, Chamkila rose to immense fame in the 1980s, only for his life to be tragically cut short in 1988 along with his wife Amarjot Kaur, when both were assassinated at the age of 27. The film not only traces his meteoric rise and cultural impact, but also delves into the societal challenges and controversies surrounding his career, capturing the escape of his enduring legacy. The film's recognition at the international Emmys also signal the growing international appeal of Indian content, particularly regional stories that resonate with global audiences. In recent years, Indian productions have steadily gained acclaim abroad, from Netflix's Delhi Crime-winning Best Drama Series in 2020 to comedian Veer Das receiving an Emmy in 2021 for his specially Veer Das for India. Diljit Dosanjh's nomination continues this momentum, highlighting the increasing visibility of Indian cinema and performers on the world stage. Parinidhi Chopra, who portrayed Amarjot Kaur in the film, also shared her excitement on social media, expressing pride in the team and tagging both Diljit and Imtiaz Ali. The nomination not only celebrates individual performances, but also shine a light on Punjab storytelling, regional cinema, and the global renaissance of India's diverse cultural narratives. With dual nominations, Amar Singh Chamkila and Diljit Dosanjh are now firmly in contention for international recognition, further establishing India's presence of one of television's most prestigious awards platform, and inspiring confidence in the global potential of Indian storytelling. That's all for now on this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.